This is Jay Teaches Reading for All, Lesson 48, and we're in the middle of a series of lessons in which letters are combining with H to make very unexpected sounds. In this case, S is going to combine with H to make the sound of shh, as in ship. And we'll find out about some other words when we get to the actual lesson. We're going to review first. We'll start our review in lesson 46 with P combining with H, sounding like an F, as in phone. So students, say these words before I do. Phil, Philip, phone, phony, photo, Phyllis, physics, graph. And I didn't mention this before, but we have had Y as sometimes being a vowel, and it can make the short I sound. It does so in physics, physics. It does so in Phyllis, Phyllis. So there it is, doing its thing. All right, now I'd like teachers, first of all, before doing the true and false, to go over these words with the students and then have them read the true and false to you. Press pause. Now we're going to review lesson 47. In this lesson, we have the W combining with H. This is not too unexpected because we're going to find out that there are lots of silent letters in the English language. We already know about the silent E at the end of words. We got a bunch of them in this list. So we know about the silent E, but here in the WH combination, H is silent as in whale. All right, students, go ahead and say these before I do. And that is the word whale. When, white, whiz, what, whack, whiff, while, whip, whim, wine, why. So teachers, have the students read these words to you and then have them read the true and false sentences. Press pause. And here's our new lesson, lesson 48. In this lesson, as mentioned earlier, S is going to combine with H to make the sh sound as in ship. And I do not have a picture of a ship. And this is, I'm really going to be taking a chance here if I try to draw a ship, but you know, you only live once, so. Students, do not laugh. Teachers don't laugh either. Oop. I'm going to make this a steamboat. Okay, there's my ship. And here's some other words with sh at the beginning. Shut. That sounds familiar. I kind of like that word. Shed. Shin. Shot. Sham. Shame. Shake. Sham is like just a dirty trick. For example, if a man is coming into a restaurant applying for a job as a cook, and he fakes his application saying that he's had, all kinds of practice and jobs in other restaurants where he's cooked stuff and he's just a super chef. And it's not true. None of it's true. It's a sham. Okay. So there's an example. And teachers, I'd like you to press pause and just have the students read that first line of words to you. All right, the rest of the words have sh at the end. Cash, which we all like to have a lot of. Crash. Flash. Flesh. Hush. Fish. Dish. Wish. Bush. Push. And here's the U making that sound, that short sound. Bush and push. Teachers, press pause and have the students read those words to you. Now we'll go to the true and false. And teachers, as you know, if you've been in the course for any length of time, have the students read these twice. First time silently, giving you a true and false answer, preliminary, and then out loud, giving you the final true and false answer with a reason. Press pause. All right, my answers. Number 1, Shanna can drop a dish. It will crash. I think that's possible. I'd put true. Number 2, Donna can push a frog in a fish pond. I don't know why she couldn't. And the frog would probably be a very happy frog swimming in a fish pond. Number 3, 10 planes can crash in a flash in the sky. This is possible. We wouldn't want to see it happen, and the student might think, it's not possible because that's just too many planes and it's just not going to happen. And I could understand that. So it could go either way. Number 4, a white whale can whip and whack a bush. Well, first of all, I have never seen a white whale, although there was a book called Moby Dick. I think there was a white whale in that book, if I remember correctly. It's been a while since I read that. And the white whale is going to come nowhere near a bush. So this is a false, too silly to be true. Okay. Coming as no surprise, in our next lesson, lesson 49, we have another letter combining with H to make a very unexpected sound. C combines with H to make the ch sound, as in chair. Now, I just couldn't think of a good picture for some of the other CH words, so I used chair. This AI combination makes the A sound. We're going to have that soon in a few lessons, but we're kind of jumping ahead, but the AI combines to make the long AA sound, chair. Okay, and then CH can also come at the end of a word. It almost always has T in front of it, which is silent. You don't hear it, so it's just the same ch sound. And this is match, which is something you can light, and you could make a fire for camping. Okay, so that's coming up in lesson 49, and we will see you there. Hope to light that lesson up. Bye for now.